Hello everyone, my name is Lakita from BSc Chemistry Honors first year. Today I am going to make an audio recording for visually impaired student of organic chemistry and chapter name is alkyl halides. Introduction. The compound obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon and a corresponding number of halogen atom are known as halogen derivative. These derivatives are subdivided as mono, di, tri, tetra halogen derivative according to the number of halogen atom present in the molecule. In addition, the halogen derivative may be further classified into different classes depending upon the nature of parent hydrocarbon. There are two main classes which may be further subdivided as given below. Number 1. Aliphatic halogen derivative. These are halogen derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon in which one or more hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon have been replaced by an equal number of halogen atom. Depending upon the nature of aliphatic hydrocarbon, they are further divided into three types. Haloalkene. The halogen derivatives such as CH3Cl, CH2Cl2 and CHCl3 obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of alkane are known as halogen derivative of alkene. These compounds are very reactive and undergo numerous reactions which are used in preparation of a large number of aliphatic compounds. Haloalkenes. These are halogen derivative of alkenes. Monohalogen derivative of alkenes are known as alkenyl halide. For example, vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl, allyl chloride CH2 double bond CH2Cl. Halogen is attached to carbon carrying double bond in vinyl chloride and halogen is attached to carbon alpha to the carbon-carbon double bond in allyl chloride. Haloalkyne. These are halogen derivative of alkyne. Monohalogen derivative of alkyne are called alkynyl halide. For example, chloroethane and 3-chloropropanine. Halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. These are halogen derivative obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom. These may be subdivided as nuclear substituted derivative. These are halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene nucleus. For example, chlorobenzene, orthobromotoluene. Side chain substituted derivative. These are halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon in which halogen is linked to the carbon of side chain. For example, benzyl chloride, benzyl dichloride. The side chain derivative are very reactive compound which are similar to halogen derivative of alkene. On the other hand, nuclear derivative are much less reactive and undergo only a few substitution reaction under strong condition. In this chapter, we shall discuss the chemistry of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides or monohalogen derivative of alkanes are the compound obtained by replacement of one hydrogen atom of an alkane by a halogen atom. They have general formula CnH2nX or Rx where X represents a halogen atom and CnH2n plus 1 or R stands for a alkyl group. For example, methyl chloride, ethyl bromide and isopropyl iodide. In a wider sense, however, alkyl halide include even side chain monohalogen derivative of alkyl benzene and cycloalkane. For example, benzyl chloride, cyclohexyl chloride. It must be noted, however, that the compound containing a halogen directly attached to a benzene ring are in no case covered by the term alkyl halide. Such compounds are called aryl halide, differ widely from alkyl halide in their method of preparation and properties and are treated separately. Classification of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides may be further subdivided as primary, secondary and tertiary halide according as the halogen is attached to primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom. Primary halides: N-propyl iodide, isobutyl bromide. Secondary halides: 2-chloropropane, 2-bromobutane. Tertiary halides: 2-bromo-2-methylpropane, 2-iodo-2-methylbutane. Alkyl halides are amongst the most reactive organic compound as the alkyl halogen can easily replace by nucleophilic reagent. Substituted alkyl halide exhibit the property of other substituent group also. For example, benzyl chloride display the reaction of aromatic nucleus also in addition to the characteristic reaction of alkyl halide. It may be noted that fluoroderivative of alkane and also known as fluorocarbon differ from other halogen derivative in many respects. For this reason, alkyl fluoride and other fluorocarbon are treated separately from chloro-bromo and iodo derivative. As such, we shall confine our discussion to alkyl chloride, bromide and iodide only, which are quite similar to each other. Nomenclature. Common system. In this system, individual alkyl halide are named as halide of particular group present in the molecule. For example, CH3Cl is named methyl chloride while CH3CH2I named as ethyl iodide, and so on. IPSC name. According to this system, these compounds are named as given below. Number 1. The longest state chain of carbon atom including carbon which carry halogen is selected, and the alkane corresponding to this chain is taken as the parent alkane. Number 2. The state chain is numbered from the end, which give the smallest number to the carbon carrying halogen. Number 3. The name of halogen and the side chain along with their point of attachment are added before the name of parent alkane. For example, 2-chloro 3,4-dimethyl pentane. Structural isomerism in alkyl halide. Higher member of alkyl halide show two types of structural isomerism are given below. Number 1. Chain isomerism. Alkyl halide containing 4 or more carbon atom can exhibit chain isomerism. For example, 2 chain isomerism of C4H9Cl are as follows, that is 1-chlorobutane and 1-chloro-2-methyl-propane. Position isomerism. Alkyl halide having 3 or more carbon atom can exist as position isomers. For example, C3H7I can exist in form of 2 position isomers as shown below. CH3CH2 CH2I 1 iodopropane and CH3CHI CH3 2 iodopropane. In general, total number of structure isomerism of an alkyl halide is 2n-2, where n is the number of carbon atom. Thus, there are 4 isomerism having molecular formula C4H9Cl and 8 isomerism having molecular formula C5H11Br. Method of preparation. The important method of preparation of haloalkane are discussed below. Number 1. From alcohols. Haloalkane are generally prepared by replacement of hydroxy group of an alcohol by a halogen atom. This can be done by using different halogenating reagent as given below. Action of hydrogen halide. Alcohol are converted into haloalkane by reaction with hydrogen halide under suitable condition. ROH plus HX give RX plus H2. Primary and secondary alkyl chloride are obtained by passing HCl gas into corresponding alcohol in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride Gru's process. For example, ethanol plus HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives chloroethane plus H2. Propanol plus HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives 2-chloropropane plus H2. Tertiary alkyl chloride can, however, be obtained by reaction between tertiary alcohol and concentrated HCl even in absence of anhydrous ZnCl2. For example, 2-methyl-2-propanol in concentrated HCl gives 2-chloro-2-methyl-propane plus water. Alkyl bromide and iodide can be obtained by heating the alcohol with excess of constant boiling HBr or HI. For example, 1-propanol plus HBr gives 1-bromopropane. Ethanol plus HI gives iodoethane. But in actual practice, hydrogen bromide and iodide are usually prepared in situ, that is during the reaction, by using sodium bromide and concentrated sulfuric acid or potassium iodide and phosphoric acid. For example, CH3CH2OH plus NaBr plus H2SO4 gives CH3CH2Br bromomethane ethane plus H2O plus NaHSO4. In the above reaction, order of reactivity of halogen acid toward alcohol is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. This is because this reaction involves the nucleophilic attack of halide ion on alcohol, since the order of nucleophilicity of halide ion is I negative greater than Br negative greater than Cl negative. The reactivity of hydrogen halide follow corresponding order, that is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. The order of reactivity of alcohol toward halogen acid is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Majority of these reactions involve the formation of carbocation intermediate, as the order of stability of carbocation is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. The reactivity of alcohol follow the corresponding order, that is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree alcohol. The reaction of HCl with primary or secondary alcohol require the use of a catalyst such as anhydrous zinc chloride because both HCl and 1 degree 2 degree alcohol has low reactivity. Anhydrous ZnCl to help in the cleavage of CO bond of alcohol by action of phosphorus halide. Action of the phosphorus halide on alcohol convert them readily into alkyl halide. 3ROH plus PX3 gives 3RX plus H3PO3. Thus, alkyl chloride are produced by reaction between alcohol and PCl3 or PCl5. For example, 1-propanol plus PCl5 gives 1-chloropropane plus POCl3 plus HCl. 2-propanol plus PCl3 gives 2-chloropropane plus H3PO3. In case of preparation of alkyl bromide and iodide, PBr3 and Pi3 required for the reaction are not very stable compounds. These are generally produced in situ by the action of red phosphorus on bromine or iodine, that is 2P plus 3I2 gives 2Pi3. 1-propanol plus Pi3 gives 1-iodopropane plus H3PO3. 2P plus 3Br2 gives 2PBr3. Ethanol plus PBr3 gives bromoethane plus H3PO3. Action of thionyl chloride. Alkyl chloride are conveniently obtained by reaction between thionyl chloride and alcohol in presence of pyridine. ROH plus SOCl2 gives pyridine RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. For example, ethanol plus SOCl2 in presence of pyridine gives chloroethane plus SO2 plus HCl. By addition of hydrogen halide to alkene, addition of hydrogen halide to alkene yields alkyl halide. For example, ethene plus HI gives iodoethane. Propene plus HCl gives 2-chloropropane. It may be recalled that in case of unsymmetrical alkene, the above reaction take place according to Markovnikov's rule. The rule states that when addition across an unsymmetrical double bond takes place, the positive part of addendum molecule to be added goes to the carbon with which have greater number of hydrogen atom. It should be remembered, however, that Markovnikov rule is not applicable in presence of organic peroxide. The addition of HBr to alkene does not follow this rule SAD. This anti-Markovnikov's addition to alkene is known as peroxide effect or crash effect. Propene plus HBr in absence of peroxide gives 2-bromopropane according to Markovnikov's rule, and propene plus HBr in presence of peroxide gives 1-bromopropane against Markovnikov's rule. Physical properties. Physical state. The lower alkyl halides such as methyl chloride, methyl bromide and ethyl chloride are colorless gases. Methyl iodide and majority of higher member are colorless, pleasant smelling liquid. Member with very high molecular weight are solid. Alkyl iodide turn brown on standing due to their decomposition by light. Boiling point. In general, alkyl halide have considerably higher boiling point than the corresponding hydrocarbon. This is due to the fact that alkyl halide have higher molecular mass than corresponding alkane and are also planar in nature. Therefore, they have stronger intermolecular force of attraction than the corresponding alkanes. Amongst the alkyl halide themselves, the following point may be noted. For a given alkyl group, the boiling point of haloalkane follow the order Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl. This is because the magnitude of intermolecular force decrease with decrease in size of halogen atom. For a given halogen, the boiling point of alkyl halide increase with increase in size of alkyl group. This can be attributed to the increase in molecular size, which leads to greater intermolecular interaction. For isomeric alkyl halide, the boiling point decrease with branching. This is because branching of chain decrease the surface area and consequently the intermolecular force of attraction become weaker. Thus, boiling point of CH3CH2, CH2CH2Br, CH3CH, CH3CH2Br and CH3 whole twice Br are 374.6, 364.7 and 346 Kelvin respectively. Solubility. Even though they are polar in nature, alkyl halide are insoluble in water. This is because alkyl halide can neither form hydrogen bond with water nor break the hydrogen bond already existing between water molecule. They are, however, soluble in the organic solvent. Density. Alkyl chloride are lighter than water, whereas bromide and iodide are heavier, the density being in order Ri greater than Rb greater than Rcl. With increasing size of the alkyl group, the density go on decreasing. Types of nucleophilic aliphatic substitution, first order and second order reaction. We have learnt above that alkyl halide undergo variety of nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is interesting to note, however, all nucleophilic substitution reaction do not take place by the same mechanism. On the other hand, there are two different mechanisms possible for nucleophilic aliphatic substitution. These are bimolecular nucleophilic substitution, that is SN2, and unimolecular nucleophilic substitution, that is SN1. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution SN2, where S stands for substitution, N for nucleophilic, and 2 for bimolecular. According to this mechanism, the reaction is believed to take place by a concerted process involving only a single step. Attack of hydroxyl ion or any other nucleophilic reagent takes place simultaneously with the loss of halide ion, that is, the bond between carbon and hydroxyl ion is being formed at the same time that carbon halogen bond is being broken. OH negative plus Rx gives ROH plus X negative. This means that the rate of reaction should depend on the concentration of both the reagent. As such, the rate of reaction may be expressed as R is equal to K Rx OH negative. Since the rate of formation of alcohol is found to be proportional to the concentration of both alkyl halide and hydroxyl ion, the reaction is said to follow second order reaction. In a single step nucleophilic substitution reaction of this type, which proceed by a simultaneous collision of two particles, is known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution or SN2. A simple and prominent example of SN2 substitution is provided by the hydrolysis of methyl bromide by hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution. It may be noted that the hydroxyl ion attack the carbon on the side opposite to bromine because the attacking nucleophile cannot approach the methyl bromide molecule from any other side due to repulsion by the negatively polarized bromine. This is referred to as backside attack and is supported by stereochemical evidence. As the hydroxyl ion approach the carbon atom from the backside, a transition state is reached in which there is a partial formation of COH bond and at the same time a partial breaking of CBr bond. The central carbon atom in transition state acquire sp2 hybridization. As the electron on hydroxyl ion being to be shared by carbon, the negative charge on hydroxyl ion decreases. Similarly, bromine develops a partial negative charge as it partially removes the pair of electrons shared with carbon. The transition state is quickly transformed into the final product, that is methyl alcohol and bromide ion. Since the formation of transition state involve collision between two particles, the reaction is obviously bimolecular. This is confirmed by the fact that the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of both hydroxyl ion and methyl bromide in accordance with rate equation 5.1. Stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. The postulation of backside attack by the nucleophilic reagent in SN2 reaction requires that the configuration of product should be opposite to that of the reactant. This has been found to be so in actual practice and can be clearly shown by considering the alkaline hydrolysis of optically active 2-bromo-octane. It should be worthwhile to note before proceeding further that negative 2-bromo-octane has the same configuration as negative 2-octanol. Now the hydrolysis of negative 2-bromo-octane with aqueous sodium hydroxide solution follow SN2 mechanism and result in formation of plus 2-octanol. In view of the similar configuration of negative 2-bromo-octane and negative 2-octanol, the configuration of plus 2-octanol must be opposite to that of minus 2-bromo-octane. It is apparent that the OH group occupy a position opposite to that previously occupied by Br, or in the other word, the configuration of alcohol is opposite to that of the bromide. Such a reaction in which configuration of a product is opposite to that of reactant is said to take place with inversion of configuration. All SN2 reaction proceed with complete inversion of configuration. It is not necessary that inversion of configuration in a reaction must be accompanied by a change in direction of rotation of the new compound formed and vice versa. This may happen in some cases, as in the example cited above and may not happen in other cases. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution SN1, where S denotes substitution, N stand for nucleophilic and 1 for unimolecular. According to this mechanism, the reaction is considered as taking place in two steps. The first step is a slow and reversible one involving dissociation of alkyl halide to alkyl carbocation and halide ion. The second step is fast one, which involves reaction between alkyl carbocation and hydroxyl ion to yield an alcohol. Rx, which is a slow process, gives R positive plus X negative. R positive OH negative fast gives ROH. This mechanism requires the rate of reaction should be determined solely by the rate of the first step, which is the slow step. In other words, the rate at which alcohol is formed should depend upon the concentration of alkyl halide alone and should be independent of the concentration of hydroxyl ion, that is I is equal to KRX. It is obvious from this expression that the reaction follow first order kinetics. Such nucleophilic substitution reaction, which takes place in two stages by the rate determining step, involve only one molecule, are known as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution or SN1 reaction. Thus, the alkaline hydrolysis of tertiary bromide takes place through a unimolecular mechanism as depicted below. The reaction is undoubtedly SN1 type, as the first step involving only one molecule is the rate determining step and the rate of reaction is proportional to concentration of tertiary butyl bromide alone according to equation 5.2. The equation required to break the CBr bond in the slow rate determining step is supplied by the formation of ion dipole interaction between two kinds of ion and the solvent. Once the carbon halogen bond is broken, the carbocation formed rapidly combine with hydroxyl ion to yield the alcohol. This is the energy diagram of the reaction of SN1. From above diagram, it may be seen that the reaction involves two transition states. Transition state 1 is involved in formation of carbocation intermediate, while transition state 2 is involved in the combination of carbocation intermediate and OH negative ion. Since an activation energy for the first transition state is much more than the second transition state, it is evident that the formation of carbocation intermediate constitutes the slow rate determining step of the reaction. Rearrangement in SN1 reaction. Reaction taking place by SN1 mechanism frequently give rearranged product. This is because these reactions involve carbocation intermediate which are known to rearrange to form more stable carbocation wherever possible. For example, hydrolysis of 2-bromo-3-methylbutane through SN1 mechanism leads to formation of a rearranged product 2-methyl-2-butanol by rearrangement of the intermediate secondary carbocation to tertiary carbocation. SN2 reaction does not give rise to rearranged product as they do not involve intermediate carbocation. Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. Let's now consider the stereochemical consequence of an SN1 mechanism. The carbocation intermediate formed in the first step of an SN reaction has a flat structure since the positively charged carbon is in an sp2 hybridized state. Now, attachment of the attacking nucleophile species OH negative to the carbocation can occur on either face of this flat ion as shown ahead. In reaction involving optically active alkyl halide, attack of the nucleophile species on one face of the carbocation would naturally yield an enantiomer of the compound formed by the attack on the other face. As such, the product obtained should be a racemic modification, the two enantiomers being expected to be formed in equal amount. In actual practice, however, complete racemization does not take place. This is possible because nucleophilic subspecies attack the carbocation before the departing halide ion has moved sufficiently away from the carbocation. In this process, the negatively charged halide ion shield the carbocation from attack on the front side, that is the same side as was the halogen. Consequently, attack on the front side, which leads to a product with the same configuration as the reactant 2, is somewhat hindered. By the same argument, attack on the back side, which leads to inversion of configuration, is somewhat preferred. This means that the actual product would no doubt consist of a mixture of enantiomer, but the enantiomer with inverted configuration would predominate. In other words, the product form would be partially racemized. For instance, the hydrolysis of negative 2-bromo-octane under condition where concentration of OH negative ion is low follow an SN1 mechanism and leads a partially racemized product, as shown below. Comparative survey of SN2 and SN1 reaction. It is clear from the foregoing discussion that while primary alkyl halide generally react by an SN2 mechanism, tertiary alkyl halide generally show SN1 mechanism. Secondary alkyl halide can react by both mechanisms. However, it must be noted that the reaction pathway can be varied by changing the other reaction condition as sum up below. Number 1. Nature of the nucleophilic reagent. The nature of nucleophilic reagent is an important factor in determining the actual mechanism of a reaction. Generally speaking, strongly nucleophilic reagents such as OH negative and RO negative ion favor SN2 mechanism since they can push halogen away from the molecule of alkyl halide. On other hand, weak nucleophilic reagents such as ethyl alcohol and water tends to favor SN1 mechanism as it is easier for them to attack the carbocation already formed. Concentration of nucleophilic reagent. It is quite reasonable to expect that high concentration of nucleophilic reagent would favor SN2 mechanism while low concentration would favor SN1 mechanism. This is found to be so in actual practice. Nature of solvent. The nature of solvent play a very important role in determining the mechanism by which a reaction occurs. This is because polarity of solvent is crucial to the ease of formation of carbocation from alkyl halide in SN1 reaction. Therefore, as already explained above, solvent of high polarity favor SN1 mechanism while solvent of low polarity favor SN2 mechanism. Depending upon the factor listed above, the reaction may proceed by SN1 or SN2 mechanism. Which mechanism operates in a particular case can be ascertained on the basis of kinetic study of the reaction. Distinguished feature of SN1 and SN2 mechanism. SN1 mechanism. It follows first order kinetic. It is a two-step reaction involving carbocation intermediate. The nucleophile can attack the carbon carrying the halogen both on the back and front side, although the back side attack predominates. In case of optically active alkyl halide, partial racemization takes place. Reaction rate is determined mainly by electronic factors. Rearranged product can be formed. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide is tertiary, secondary, tertiary greater than secondary, greater than primary, greater than methyl halide. It is favored by mild nucleophile, favored by low concentration of nucleophile, favored by solvent of high polarity. SN2 mechanism. It follows second order kinetics. It is a single step reaction which occurs through a transition state. The attack takes place exclusively from backside. Complete inversion of configuration takes place. Reaction rate is determined mainly by steric factor. No rearrangement is possible. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide is methyl greater than primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary halides. It is favored by strong nucleophile. It is favored by high concentration of the nucleophile. It is favored by solvent of low polarity. Substitution versus elimination. It has been already stated that the alkyl halide can undergo both substitution and elimination reaction. Moreover, the reagent which bring about the two type of reaction, that is nucleophilic reagent and bases, are essentially similar to each other. All nucleophilic reagents are basic and all bases are nucleophile. In other words, the same reagent can bring about both elimination and substitution reaction of alkyl halide. As such, substitution and elimination reaction of alkyl halide usually proceed simultaneously in competition with each other. For example, in reaction of ethyl chloride with sodium hydroxide, elimination to give ethylene competes with substitution to give ethyl alcohol. It is therefore important that in synthetic work we should be able to have as much control as possible over the relative proportion of the possible product. This can be done in the light of various factors which influence the occurrence and ratio of two types of reaction. These factors have already been discussed in detail earlier. However, a brief discussion of their role in substitution versus elimination is given below. Bimolecular substitution and elimination reaction SN2 and E2. The transition state formed in these two types of reaction are different from each other. Therefore, it is possible to influence the ratio of the substitution and elimination product by varying the structure and solvation factor, etc. Nature of alkyl group. For alkyl halide containing the same halogen atom, the order of reactivity in SN2 is 1 degree halide greater than 2 degree halide greater than 3 degree halide. On the other hand, in E2 reaction, the order of reactivity is just opposite, that is 3 degree halide greater than 2 degree halide greater than 1 degree halide. Thus, E2 reaction is increasingly favor as we change from a primary to a secondary to a tertiary alkyl halide. Even for alkyl halide belonging to the same class and containing the same halogen, the size of alkyl group and branching at beta carbon influence the relative rate of SN2 and E2 reaction due to steric hindrance. With the increase in size of alkyl group and increased branching at beta carbon, atom stirring hindrance increase, and this in turn slow down SN2 reaction. As a result, proportion of elimination product increase. For example, in reaction with sodium ethoxide, as a result, the proportion of elimination product increase. For example, in reaction with sodium ethoxide, CH3CH2Br undergo 99% substitution and 1% elimination. For CH3CH2CH2Br, the relative proportion are 91% and 9%, while CH3CH2 CH3 whole twice CH2Br substitution takes place to the extent 40% and elimination is 60%. This is in spite of the fact that all alkyl halide consider above a primary alkyl halide. Nature of halogen atom. For the same alkyl group, the nature of halogen atom does not significantly alter the substitution elimination ratio. Nature of attacking reagent. SN2 reaction are favored by strong nucleophile, while E2 reaction are favored by strong bases. In general, strong nucleophile are strong bases as well. Therefore, elimination reaction completes strongly with substitution reaction. However, the reagent is a strong nucleophile but a weak base. Substitution is favored over elimination. Nature of solvent. Both SN2 and E2 reaction are favored by solvent of low polarity. However, with decreasing polarity, elimination is favored to a great extent. Effect of temperature. Higher temperature favor E2 over SN2 reaction. Unimolecular substitution and elimination reaction SN1 and E1. Nature of alkyl halide. As already studied, the first step in both these reactions is the heterolytic cleavage of carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide to form carbocation. Rx gives R positive plus X negative. It is the second step that the two reactions follow different path. In the substitution reaction, the attacking reagent attack the carbon to bring about nucleophilic substitution, while in elimination the attack takes place at hydrogen to yield the alkene. It is therefore obvious that substitution elimination ratio will depend upon the relative rate of second step in two cases. In substitution reaction, the least stable carbocation would be attacked most readily to yield the substitution product, since the increasing order of stability of carbocation is 1 degree less than 2 degree less than 3 degree, and the rate of substitution should follow the sequence 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. In elimination, the ease of loss of proton by attack of hydrogen is determined by the stability of the alkene form. In keeping with the order of stability of alkene, the rate of elimination from the carbocation follow the order 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. To sum up, it may be stated that as we change from the primary to the secondary to tertiary alkyl halide, the proportion of elimination product goes on increasing. Effect of temperature. The other reaction variable in unimolecular reaction is temperature. Generally speaking, highest temperature favor E1 reaction over SN1 reaction. It is interesting to note that in bimolecular as well as unimolecular reaction, probability of elimination increase on moving from 1 degree to 2 degree to 3 degree alkyl halide and on carrying the reaction at high temperature. Relative reactivity of allyl halide with respect to alkyl halide. Allyl halide are monohalogen derivative of alkene, in which halogen atom is attached to carbon atom alpha to the carbon-carbon double bond. They are found to be even more reactive than Alkyl halide in nucleophilic substitution reaction. They can undergo both SN1 and SN2 reaction. To understand this, let us recall the reactivity of SN1 reaction is mainly determined by electronic factor, while reactivity of SN2 reaction is mainly governed by steric factor. The allyl group present in the allyl halide represent a remarkable species. On the other hand, it gives rise to a carbocation stabilized by the dispersal of positive charge due to resonance. The stability of allyl carbocation is comparable to the stability of secondary and tertiary carbocation, which undergo dispersal of positive charge due to inductive effect. On the other hand, the size of allyl group is just about as much as that of an unbranched primary alkyl group. In other words, allyl halides are sterically similar to a primary alkyl halide and do not hinder the approach of a nucleophile. Allyl halides, sterically similar to primary alkyl halide, do not hinder the approach of nucleophile CH2 double bond CH, CH2Cl. Reactivity in SN1 reaction. Due to its resonance stabilization involving the dispersal of positive charge, allyl cation can be easily formed from allyl halide. The net result in that like secondary and tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction readily. In fact, allyl halide undergo SN1 reaction at about the same rate as secondary alkyl halide or even faster than that. Reactivity in SN2 reaction. Since like primary allyl halide does not offer steric hindrance to the approach of attacking nucleophile, it undergo SN2 reaction with the same or even greater readiness than primary alkyl halide. Relative reactivity of vinyl halide with respect to alkyl halide. Vinyl halide CH2 double bond CHX are monohalogen derivative of alkene in which halogen atom is attached to carbon carrying the double bond. The chemical behavior of vinyl halide is marked by lack of reactivity toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. This behavior is in sharp contrast to that of alkyl halide. Let's now try to see as to why the halogen in vinyl halide is so inert toward nucleophilic substitution. Explanation based upon resonance. A vinyl halide is a resonance hybrid of two structure as depicted below. In case of vinyl chloride, as a result, the carbon halogen bond acquire a partial double bond character due to contribution from structure such as second B. CH2 double bond CHCl gives CH2 single bond C double bond Cl. Thus, in contrast to alkyl halide, vinyl halide exists in form of resonance stabilized molecule in which the halogen is firmly attached to the carbon. As such, the halogen in vinyl halide cannot be easily displaced by the nucleophilic reagent. The above interpretation of the low reactivity of vinyl halide is as also supported by the dipole moment values. For instance, vinyl chloride has a dipole moment of only 1.4 d, while the dipole moment of alkyl chloride are of order of 2 to 2.2 d. This means that vinyl halide are much less polar than alkyl halide. This is obviously due to fact that the contributing structures such as second B of vinyl halide contain halogen carrying a positive charge. Contribution from such structure of electron tends to oppose the development of negative charge on the halogen arising from the displacement of electron of carbon halogen bond toward the more electronegative halogen atom. Even though there is still a net displacement of electron toward halogen in vinyl halide, it is less than in alkyl halide. This naturally inhibits the displacement of the halogen. Alternative explanation. There is another explanation also for the reactivity of vinyl halide. The carbon carrying the carbocation in vinyl halide is sp2 hybridized, while that in alkyl halide is sp3 hybridized. Due to the lesser size of sp2 hybridized carbon as compared to sp3 hybridized carbon, the carbon halogen bond of vinyl halide is shorter and stronger, and the molecule is more stable. An idea of the bond length of the Halogen bond in vinyl and alkyl halide may be had from the fact that CCl bond length in vinyl chloride is 1.69 angstrom, while in alkyl chloride the length is about 1.80 angstrom. This interpretation is also in the line with the less polar character of the vinyl halide. It may be recalled that the sp2 hybridized carbon atom is more electronegative than sp3 hybridized carbon atom. As such, the sp2 hybrid carbon halogen bond in vinyl halide is less willing to release the electron to the halogen, and consequently this bond is less polar. Thus, the low reactivity of vinyl halide toward nucleophilic substitution reaction can be attributed to two reasons: delocalization of electron by resonance and attachment of halogen to the sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is all about alkyl halide. Thank you.